Little Timmy, do you want to have a helicopter in jailbreak?
Yeah, I do. And I want this man to stop hitting me in my head. But yes, I really do want a helicopter.
What if I told you there's a glitch that lets you get a helicopter? What?
I must know. Teach me Gaming 101. I can't believe I got arrested.
All prisoners report to the cafeteria for dinner.
Oh boy, I hope it's Cheerios. Where are my Cheerios? Please be Cheerios.
Timmy,
what?
Let's get back on the subject.
But why? I want to see if they have Cheerios.
I don't care. Do you want the helicopter or not?
Fine, I want the helicopter.
Fine. To make the glitch, all you have to do is become a police officer and take a helicopter. Just drive it, but make sure to lock it. That's the number 1 rule. After you locked it, you just go back over here to the courtyard. Okay? Make sure you locked it, okay? Jump out and immediately switch teams. Now become a prisoner. Just go back where you left the plane. And oh my gosh, what is that? Oh my God. It's my helicopter. Look, and boom! You just got a helicopter. You're escaping jail very fast. That's all you need to do. I'll just go rob banks or something. You escape. You are now a criminal. Run, hide, rob banks, blah, 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 blah. No one even reads that, I think. Okay, just go rob something. I don't know. But, for the sake of it, I'll just give it on to as a present to someone who will find it first. Don't do this. And kill myself. Why won't I kill myself? Good job. You received the badge called